So this is our digit recognition game. We have used MNIST dataset for training our model. This solve module generates random equations between 0 and 9. So only a single digit number as of now we will predict. But as you can see here, at the step of contour detection, we can use this. After making a small changes in this contour detection code, we can predict a double digit or a triple digit numbers also. So first what we do, we take the color images, then we grayscale it, then we binarize the image, then we apply bitwise NOT to invert the image, then we do contour detection, and then we resize and detect the image. This is all done using OpenCV, and the detection of image is done using Keras. So here we have the detection code, so I'll explain it in Jupyter Notebook. So first we do import Keras, we need NumPy, then we have layers like sequential, dense layer, and this two categorical converts our data into one hot encoding. Then we have layers convolutional 2D, max pooling, flatten, and the data set is MNIST. We have used OpenCV library, and then PIL for images. Then we train and reshape it. Then we convert it to one hot encoding, training and testing data. This is our model, sequential model, convolutional 2D layer, max pooling layer, convolutional 2D again, max pooling layer, flatten layer, and then the dense layer of 300 neurons using a ReLU activation function. And then again in the dense layer we have used activation function of softmax, and then optimizer was Adam optimizer was best suitable for this job, and we have used categorical cross entropy as the loss function. So we can see that we have used only 12 approaches and batch size is 200. So we can see that we have only trained it for 12 approaches, but then too we got an accuracy of around 99.05%, and the validation loss was quite low, that is 0.0357, and validation accuracy was quite high, that is 0.9896. so the model was trained pretty good. This is our code for testing the model. So we saved the model. We can see here we have saved the model as my_mnist_model.h5 file, and this h5 file is loaded. Here the trained weights are there in the h5 file. So we have implemented here. Now what we do is we take the image, and here in Pygame we took the image by taking a screenshot of this portion, the white portion, and then we have applied the region of interest ROI. We reshaped it, and the bounding rectangle we took it inside. This is all OpenCV related things. We have applied a padding and all that things, and then we have predict and appended. We have used appended because to give us equation that has answer from a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number, then this would be useful here. So dot append means if there are 2-digit numbers like 12, 13, it would append here, and then it finally predicts. So here we have used the prediction thing. So let's see it working. So 6 minus 6 is 0, so we will draw 0 and press enter. You can see this, we are on stage 1 and the answer was correct. 5 into 0 would be 0, enter, correct. 9 minus 7 would be 2, we'll press enter, correct. Now 8 minus 6, let's try 3, wrong answer, our level did not go up and our score wasn't detected. 8 minus 4, let's try 1, wrong, right. 0 divided by 3, let's try 6, yeah, wrong. So the model is pretty good. Let's try 4, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 is a pretty confusing thing for the model. Let's see whether it does. Yeah, it did correctly. Okay, so thank you.